Hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to another video. As you probably know, if you've watched the last video, we have sold the car. So we have to reset the sync system. It'll just get all of your saved spots out of there, your home, your phone. It'll just erase all that, set it back to stock so all your information is out of the vehicle when you trade it into the dealer or the person, whoever you sold it to, depending how you sell it. So today we're just going to go over quickly how to reset the sync system in your car to bring it back to stock and get all your information out of there. All right, so first things first, before you do anything, you want to unplug anything. I plug my phone in here, unplug the USB in here. I have my iPod plugged in. Just unhook anything that happens to be plugged into the car, get that all out of there. And then anything to do with the computer system, you have to fire up your car. It does need to be running, so we'll turn her on. First thing you want to do, go over here to settings, hit settings. General is what you're looking for. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and just that easy, you can see here, master reset. Hit that. It'll ask you all system settings will be reset to factory defaults. All authorizations will be canceled, anything like that. Subscriptions, apps, anything you have on here will all be gone. And then it does tell you, in case you forgot, disconnect all USB and Bluetooth devices before proceeding. So the other thing we got to do before we hit it is turn off the Bluetooth on the phone so it is no longer connected to the car. So I'll do that for a quick second here. And there you go. We'll go back just to show you. Go home. You can see, connect the phone, nothing is on, nothing is connected to the vehicle. So back in there, settings, general, swipe to the bottom, master reset, continue, and then resetting to factory defaults. So you give it a few minutes, it'll do its thing, and then everything should be erased and back to normal, just as when you bought the car originally. And there you go. That took a little less than a minute, I'd say, maybe a minute, minute and a half, and the screen will go black. That's just it resetting itself, and then eventually when it pops back on, you are back to your factory settings. You can see, there she goes. It'll turn your radio on. AM radio for some reason. You can see now that it's reset. You can adjust everything. We'll just leave that, ask me later, because this is not going to be my car in a couple hours, so I don't care. Now it's all set up for the next guy that comes to buy this vehicle. And then one last thing you'll get once you are done with the factory reset, if you have the Ford Pass hooked up like I do, you'll get an email saying that your Ford Pass app is no longer authorized for the vehicle. So I cannot do anything with this anymore. Can't start the vehicle, can't check the location, anything, because it is reset. So all my information off here is no longer in the vehicle. And it just warns you. This is more of a warning than anything. So you know, if somebody has your car and they reset it, get an info or an email right away saying, hey, something's up. And if you're like me and you're just resetting it, you also get the email and you're good to go. And there you have it, guys. That's as easy as it gets. If you're buying a new vehicle and you want to reset it to hook up all your stuff, maybe the last person that owned it has all their junk and settings still in there, they didn't do this, easy peasy. Like I said, it took about 2 minutes. And if you are selling your car like I am, it just takes a couple minutes. Hit it before you go in, trade her off, just to get all your information out of there. You don't want somebody you don't know getting a hold of phone numbers and addresses and stuff like that. So for a couple seconds, it's easy to do. Make sure to plug or unplug everything, unhook your phone, Bluetooth off. If you got any other things hooked up to your car, just everything out, hit reset. A couple minutes later, you're all done, good to go. So hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching again. Share, subscribe, and hopefully we'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.